You wore gold like a warning, smiled with a knife in your sleeve. You called it truth, called it power, left me with crumbs on the seat. I saw the crack in your halo, you kept it hidden at first. Now every room that you enter turns all my silence to thirst. You took the room like a kingdom, you took my name like a dare. Thought you were larger than shadow, now I know rot was in there. Shadow halo, you let it fall. Shadow, pride goes loud, then it takes it all. You took it all. I stand here hurt, but I still stand. Still stand. Lonely hands in the cold dark sand. Cold dark sand. I kept your secrets like paper, folded them close to my chest. You fed me smiles made of smoke, then let the whole thing turn to wrecked. Now your throne is a rumor, your perfect is paper thin. I hear my name in the hallway, but I won't be fooled again. You took the room like a kingdom, you took my name like a dare. Thought you were larger than shadow, now I know rot was in there. Shattered halo, you let it fall. Halo, pride goes loud, then it takes it all. You took it all. I stand here hurt, but I still stand. Still stand. Lonely hands in the cold dark sand. Cold dark sand. And when the violin starts crying, I can hear what you hid. All that arrogance fading like a door slammed in the wind. I won't beg for your mercy, I won't wear your disguise. You can keep all your echoes, I'm done looking in your eyes. Shattered halo, you let it fall. Halo, pride goes loud, then it takes it all. You took it all. I stand here hurt, but I still stand. Still stand. Lonely hands in the cold